Now we'll see some example on unit conversion. Suppose you have top 10 pay of some mobiles and its price in pounds is given as this. You want to convert these price in dirhams. I'll start from the first cell. If I want my data to be calculated here, press equals. Cell addressing, using cell addressing I'll address the first cell, times, for times shift 8, and this is the conversion rate for a pound into dirhams. 1 pound or 1 British pound is equal to 7.31 dirhams. If I use this conversion, then the price of Samsung E900, which is 69.95 British pounds in UAE dirhams, will be the given price times the conversion rate, that is F1. Now if I press enter here, I'll get the data, which is the conversion or the price of the mobile Samsung E900 into dirhams. And if I use the autofill option, then the next option will be multiplication of cell C4 times F2, and because we don't have any value in F2, it will be 0. If I'll show you, if I autofill the data, it keeps on reading these values, say C4 or C3 times F1. C3 times F1 is the first value. If I click on this data, this is C4 times F2. If I click on this data, C5 times F3, you can see the calculations over here because I want to fix this value. So I'll use absolute referencing, and for this purpose, I'll just undo it. So instead of using F1, I want to fix this F1 for all the cells because I don't want to change this F, I don't want to change this one. So I'll just put a dollar sign in front of both of them so that it doesn't change the value of the conversion 7.31. So this cell is fixed for all the calculations, and the next cell will be count or multiplication of 49.95 times 7.31. Next one will be 19.95 times 7.31, and so on. So in case you want to fix any of the value, just put the dollar sign in front of the column and the row. And if I say OK or enter, so it will calculate the value, which is still same. And if I use the autofill option for all the other type of mobiles which we have, so this is the price or the conversion of pounds in dirhams. Similarly, I'll take one more example. Suppose this is the price of gold in the year 1975 to 85 is given to you. It's a price per ounce. Price per ounce given in US dollar. If you want to get its price in dirhams, click on the cell, press equals, cell referencing, first cell, the value given in dollar times shift 8. Now this is the price which you want to be fixed for all the calculations. So we need to put dollar sign in front of 2 as well as in front of F, so that these values are fixed for all the other calculations. And if I press enter, this is the price per dirhams. I can use autofill option to find the values in dirhams for all the other prices. Now if you want to calculate the price, gold price in AE dirhams per gram, this was the price per ounce, but 1 ounce is equal to 31.31 grams. So the price per gram we need to calculate. So we need to divide the values which we have obtained here by 31.10. So I'll make the calculation. I'll generate the formula first. Equals whatever is the value in the given cell, divided by the value in this cell. Again, we want to fix this value for all the other cells. So I'll just put $sign in front of both the row and column so that this value is fixed for everybody or for all the cells. This is the value or the price of gold in AE dirhams per gram. If I use the autofill option, this shows the price in different years in AE dirhams per gram.